Good afternoon. It's a great pleasure to be here and really excited to share with you the journey we've been on at Microba. My name is Trent Munro. I lead therapeutics development at Microba. We're an Australian-based company, publicly listed, founded in 2017. We've raised over $50 million, and we're focused on developing both testing solutions for the microbiome, but more importantly, the development of next-generation microbiome-based therapeutics. So I've spent some time really thinking about drug discovery over the last little while, and what I'm really fascinated about is the tools that we have to think about the modalities that we've deployed. But what's really surprising when we look at the data, and if we take the 350 or so products that have been approved by the FDA, what we see is the vast majority of this is built on reductionist biology. The idea that we can come up with a natural compound or design by chemistry or biology something that's going to impact meaningful biology. But in reality, I think that's really not the way we need to be thinking about going about the future of creating next-generation therapeutics. At Microba, we're taking a different approach. And really, our mission is to use our deep understanding of the microbiome, built on data, and harness that to deliver next-generation therapeutics. When we think about, and you've just heard the importance of the microbiome, that really today we look out 6 in 10 of people in this audience are suffering from chronic disease, but the vast majority is not well controlled by current therapeutics. We see evidence that it's clear the link between the microbiome and disease is becoming more and more important. And I think more importantly than that, when we think about cell biology, we typically only think about our cells, not the way we can think about the complete ecosystem and what we need to actually do to develop those new solutions. The microbiome produces and metabolizes a range of potent compounds which control not only functions within your gut, but at distal sites and control things like mood in the brain. So really, in terms of a drug discovery pipeline, this is essentially untapped. What might be surprising to many of you is that the vast majority of the microbiome remains uncharacterized. Yet there are more than 4,800 known species of the microbiome. In any one of us, we have 200 at any one time. They're controlling functions, thinking about, this is almost like another organ. But the other thing that's really happened in the microbiome space is that people have really only scratched the surface from the way they characterize the microbiome. We were founded at Microbiome thinking about the problems in characterizing the microbiome, the deficiency in analysis, the high error rates, and the issues. We've developed a novel technology to overcome that with more accuracy and more coverage, and we've built a data set that now lets us interrogate this in different ways, using advanced algorithms to go after the root of the microbiome, the key organisms that are driving the key biology. We've built a pipeline across inflammatory bowel disease, cancer, and a program we're working on with Ginkgo in the autoimmune space to create a differentiated set of therapeutics. We've been very fortunate to work with the talented team here at Ginkgo and the amazing infrastructure to take a new approach at doing drug discovery for autoimmune disease. We're excited about these results, and we're looking forward to sharing more very soon. So with that, I'm going to finish. Thank you for listening, and enjoy the rest of the day, and I look forward to connecting with folks throughout the rest of the afternoon.